back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. This is a new vlog. We are starting on Monday the 26th. It is the afternoon. I've done some sweeping, as you would have seen, some tidying up, and I've just fed all the cats behind me. So they are nomming away. And now my battery is flashing at me. God damn it. Let's be quick. Just having a chill day today after the weekend of birthday celebrations. So I've edited the birthday vlog. That will be going up on Wednesday. And apart from that, I've just been chilling on the sofa. Pinged all my nails off because they were getting annoying. But yeah, just gonna make a cup of coffee and just watch some YouTube, I think. So Squelchy Boy is on his way home, so I am cooking some baked potatoes in the air fryer, and they should be done in about 40 minutes. And I'm also cooking up some boiled eggs for my lunches, because I love me some boiled eggs. So yeah, got it all going on in the kitchen at the moment. There's one thing I hate about filming in 4K is that this feels like it's really zoomed in and I'm holding it as far away from my face as I can. This is really weird. I might have to get a new lens for it. So like a wide angle lens or something, so you can see more of what's around me. Either that or go back to filming in HD, but I don't know. I quite like filming in 4K because my little pocket camera films in 4K as well. So yeah, today it's Tuesday 27th and I've just, as you can see, I'm a bit sweaty and hot because I've just weeded the front garden. So yeah, that's a jobbed at least. I still have to trim the hedges and trim the bushes and trim everything, but I've already got 2 bags of garden rubbish that I'm going to try and sweet talk my dear mother into taking for me and putting in her green bin because I don't have a green bin. So fingers crossed on that one when she gets here. But yeah, she's coming to me today. So yeah, probably not much to update you on, but Yo-Yo's been walked already, as it's been quite cool today. So yeah, apart from that, just gonna wait for my mum to get here at the moment and see what the plan is. I know we're getting Chippy for tea, Chippy dinner, Chippy tea, as they say. I've got a Rosie on my lap. Don't know if you can see. Rosie, what? No? No? Okay. So, just gonna watch some YouTubes at the moment. Just gonna chill out and then see what the day brings. Good morning. It is Thursday morning, 29th of June, and we're really picking up the vlog here because I've been at my parents' the last couple of days and obviously I don't really film there. So yeah, we've got some exciting stuff planned for today, including putting a bookcase together from Ikea and organising the living room. So we're going to do that, but first I have a package from Killstar that I'm going to unbox for you. I've got it here. See, I've got my address blurred out, but yeah, I've got the package here. So let's unbox it. Right, first of all, we've got this in a little bit of white tissue paper. It's in this little bag. There's a couple of earrings. Oh, if I can get them. Oh, can you see? How cute are they? Oh, they even have Killstar written on them. Oh, cute. And then here's the other one. Of course, it's stuck in the bag. It's got a little plastic on it, but I'll remove that at some point. But yeah, how cute are they? Thought they would be cute to go under my tunnels. Yes. Right, next thing is in here. And as if I'm correct, these should be my tights. Carved up / tights. Yeah. They're footless tights as well, which makes it easier to wear. But can you see they're kind of like carved and slashed up and stuff. So they'll be cool to wear with a nice little outfit. Yeah. Right, this is a t-shirt that my bestie ordered, so I'm not going to open it. But it's basically it's a new t-shirt from their line with like a teddy bear on it with two sides of his face. So yeah, you can't really see, but I'm not going to open that because it's not mine. Right, next thing is here. Got some biker shorts. More biker shorts. But yeah, I thought they were cute. And obviously I wear biker shorts quite a lot now. So yeah, they'll do. And then last but not least, I've got these, which are a pair of leggings. Let me come back so you can see. But yeah, they're called Dance Macabre. And they have Killstar written on them, and they got skeletons on the other side. So yeah, they'll be cute in the winter. And that's all I got from Killstar this time. Thought this nice little haul, my little birthday haul with my birthday money. So yeah. Cheers, Yo-Yo. So I thought I would do a little beforehand of what the living room looks like. So we've got 2 Billy bookcases in here already. Most of them are, well, they're both full up with a lot of stuff, as you can see. And this one's kind of blocked partially by the sofa as well, which we don't really even use, so. And then we've got this one over here, which is just half full of junk, half full of decorative stuff. So yeah, we're going to put together the next Billy bookcase, and that's going to go behind the door here. As you can see, we've got the bookcase there. So we're going to put it here and basically put all of our junk in it. When I say junk, I don't mean junk, I mean like stuff that doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. We're going to put that behind the door, so it's going to be out of the way, and then we can just decorate these ones with like aesthetically pleasing stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. Just a quick break to open up a parcel that I got from Vinted. Need some scissors. Here's the parcel. Try not to cut my thing that's inside. I've got another cute little suspender skirt. Look at that! Look how cute that is! It's got like little upside down cross details on it, and it's got pockets. So cute. So cute. Awesome. So happy. Just thought I would quickly show you the fruits of my labour. Here is the first cabinet. Not much has changed on here at all. I've just taken off a few DVDs and some other bits and bobs and put it onto the other bookshelf. Here is the other bookshelf. As you can see, I've done a lot of tidying on here, so it looks a lot neater and tidier and more aesthetic, as we like to say. And then the one behind the door is the one with all our rubbish on it. Well, it's not rubbish, it's just stuff that doesn't look particularly neat and tidy, like books and DVDs and stuff. So yeah, plopped all that on there. Got some games at the bottom as well. Some action figures. That's what I meant to say before. And then a couple of ornament bits, but we've still got room and space to put more stuff up there if we need to. Good morning. It is Friday morning and I'm in a bit of a rush because I got to get to my mum's for an appointment with my mental health nurse. Haven't seen her in about a month, so will be nice to see her. Yeah, but apart from that, I'm gonna go see my mum and that's about it. Just got back from my mum's, had my mental health appointment. Looks like I'm going to be discharged soon, which is great news, which means I don't need the service anymore, but obviously I can go back if I need to. But yeah, so taking Yo-Yo out for a walk as well. And now it is time to chill out and just relax. Just popping on quickly to say that I got a parcel from ASOS and they should be my new shoes. So yeah, I'm going to unbox them with you. That's how they look so far. They are wide fit sandals, so I'm really hoping they fit. Oh, they're kind of cute. See, all the buckles are covered up. That's how am I supposed to get them on without undoing all the... Alright, let's just try them on. I'm gonna have to take the paper off the buckles to try them on because I can't try them on without adjusting them. My feet are really big. Right, I will update you in a second. Update on the shoes, they do not fit. The straps around the ankles are just too small. The rest of it fits fine, but yeah, the strap around the ankle is just too small for my feet, so they will be going back. Just been out for a walk with Yo-Yo, so it's the second walk of the day, and I decided to wear my Doc Martens, and even though I put a blister plaster on, it still managed to rub my foot, on my right foot, still managed to rub my heel, so I'm not quite sure what to do about that, and they're so tight around my thingy of my feet, the width of my feet. I'm hoping that when I lose weight, like, the weight will come off my feet as well, so that will help, but yeah, I don't know, we shall see. At the moment we're just chilling out. It is 9:45 at night, so we'll be going to bed soon, but I was thinking of moving these lights over to that wall, but I might do that tomorrow or Sunday, seeing how it depends how I feel, but we'll see what happens. Good morning, lovelies. It is Saturday morning, and as you would have just seen, I went on my hot girl walk for the day. Because I didn't go to Rockfit this morning because my friend wasn't going, and I was gonna go, but then I just didn't get out of bed. Just, one of those things. So yeah, I went on a walk instead, and Squelchy's on nights at the moment, so he's asleep at the moment, so I can't have a shower. But feeling a little hungry, starting intermittent fasting, so I can't eat until 12, so I'm just gonna have a big glass of water and hope that tides me over until then. But yeah, gonna have a bit of a chill day today, I think. So I finally had a shower. As you can see, I got my hair in my towel because I've washed my hair, and I am boiling up some eggs for my lunch and for future lunches as well. So yeah, need to take Yo-Yo out for a walk at some point, but she's currently lounging in the sun in the garden, which is lovely to see. And I've got a cup of coffee. And I'm probably going to edit, actually, because I've got so much to edit for this week's vlog. Yeah, I better get on that. Forgot to mention I got these in the post, and I'm going to be putting these on at some point today as well. So I just got back from taking Yo-Yo out for a walk. It is a crisp 20 degrees outside, so it's not hot, but it's not cold. So yeah, that was I'm a bit sweaty, but she did this thing to me that she does to me sometimes, where it's my fault, it's my fault, but basically I think that she's run off, and I'm like looking around everywhere for her, shouting her name, whistling, doing all this stuff, and I'm looking around, I can't find her, and I'm thinking, oh, is she in the bushes, is she, blah, blah, blah. And then I end up tripping over her because she is literally at my feet. And I'm like, why didn't I just look there in the first place? I always do this. I'm like, where could she possibly be? And then she's at my feet. So that was embarrassing. Oh dear. Right, back to editing. So I just got back in from putting my car seats on my car. Bloody hell, that was fiddly as anything. But I managed to get them on. And yeah, so the seats are now protected. I also put some leather care stuff on the seat that's cracked, in the hopes that maybe that'll soften the leather a bit on there and it won't crack any further. Fingers crossed. But we shall see. I ordered a Too Good To Go magic bag from Starbucks, and I'm going to go pick that up in about quarter of an hour. So that's going to be interesting to see what's in there. I'll update you. I'll bring it back here. I'll let you know what's in it, and then I'm going to finish the vlog because this has got way too long already. I didn't realise how long it was when I was editing it, and I was like, oh dear, I've done a lot in like one day. So, and hopefully we'll be going on an adventure tomorrow with my bestie. And so I'll bring you along for that anyway. So I am just back from Starbucks. I got my magic bag of food. And let's see what we got. It looks like we've got quite a few sandwiches. So we've got a spinach and pea falafel wrap. We've got chicken Caesar wrap. A red Leicester cheese and pickle sandwich. There's another red Leicester cheese and pickle sandwich. All that for £5.50, which I don't think is too bad. Although it did say the bag's worth is supposed to be like 15 quid, so I dread to think how much they're charging for each sandwich in the shop then. But yeah, anyway, on that note, I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me on this little vlog in my week, and I will see you again tomorrow for another vlog, for an adventure. Alright? Bye!